Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Today we're creating a stunning and minimal 3-ring Suncatcher. This design is simple but incredibly elegant, and it's perfect for catching sunlight and adding a touch of sparkle to your space. Before we get started, the full list of materials will appear on screen. Feel free to pause and check everything carefully. If you'd like to use the same materials I'm using, you can find the DIY kit link in the description below. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Arrange the rings. This first step helps you visualize your design before assembling. Lay out the 3 rings vertically, one below another, on your work surface. Place the crystals and charm in the center of each ring to plan your layout. Later, we'll connect these rings using small jump rings. You're off to a great start. A clear layout makes the rest of the process so much easier. Step 2. Attach the crystals and charm. Now, it's time to bring your design to life. Use large jump rings to hang the crystal prisms and the top chain. Then, use smaller jump rings to connect all the pieces together in this order. Attach one crystal to the bottom ring, then connect it to the middle ring. Two, attach your main charm, like a sun, moon, or star, between the middle and top rings. Three, finally, attach a second crystal to the top ring and connect it to the chain or hanging string. Tips: use AB coated crystals to create a stunning rainbow effect when sunlight hits. Make sure each crystal hangs straight, not tilted, for a balanced, elegant look. For a Christmas version, swap the chain for red ribbon or gold string for a festive touch. Lovely job, your Suncatcher is starting to sparkle already. Here are some fun ideas to customize your 3-ring Suncatcher. Add small beads or mini charms between rings for extra sparkle. Swap the sun charm for a moon, snowflake, or angel charm to create a cozy Christmas vibe. Try gold or mirror silver rings for a luxurious, light-catching look. Add a crystal drop at the bottom for extra shimmer. Gift wrapping idea. Place your finished Suncatcher in a small zip bag. Let the hanging chain or string stay outside the bag to help keep its shape, then seal the zip. Next, put the zip bag into a fabric pouch or a small gift box, and that's it. You've got a lovely little handmade gift, perfect for the holiday season. And that's it. Your 3-ring Suncatcher is complete. Hang it by a sunny window near your favorite plant, or even in your car, anywhere sunlight can reach. You did an amazing job. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crystal Flair for more sparkling DIY tutorials. And as always, keep shining.